Folks, we're inside the brand new 2025 Sabre 33 RLP. It's amazing unit. I mean, the people who came up with this side patio, they're genius. Why? For two reasons. Number one, they brought the outdoor living inside. They give you opportunity to have your own balcony, like the nice high-end home, where you could stand up outside, have some lounge chairs, have a breakfast, enjoy the view outside, enjoy the outdoor living, and still very close to walk into the living room and the kitchen. So as you see, this beautiful floor plan, it has a 65-inch smart TV in the back. It's amazing of how big is this big TV, smart TV. We have a lot of storage underneath that entertainment centers. You can see, huge, and they're self-closing. And then the compartment on the side, I like this is endless shelf. You could, I could put things on it. There's a plug for 110 and USB in both sides of the entertainment. Big closet, so they don't waste the space. A lot of storage in the back. Now, from this beautiful view, you have unbelievable sitting. So I could sit in this J lounge. And by the way, this is recline. There's a recliner here. I could show you. This is ottoman. So I could sit, relax, enjoy the view, enjoy the TV, as well the view of the side patio. And then this one is also, I like about it, you can remove this piece, give you an idea, and voila. And we have a beautiful dining table. So I could sit, I could enjoy eating, watching the game, and enjoy the outdoor. And this gives you ability also for storage, and you could do it both sides, and you could see it's closed by itself. And then if you pushed it, when you sit right here, you have recline. So I could recline and watch the TV. Also, I could use it eating table. I could use it coffee table, and as well, I could use it as ottoman. From there, I could go to my beautiful side patio system. It's very easy. Just you open it, and now even if I open it, I still have full glass window here. And then if I want to open it, hit open, and suddenly, as you look here, the whole side patio with a nice balcony or sun living area. It's complete. That's it. And then I bring this one to this side, and I bring the sides. Voila. And I'm outside. Coming in. Let's enjoy the nice view. I have my nice power awning with LED lights. I could put a couple lounge chair here with a table, sit, enjoy the view, enjoy the rain, and whatever I could do. I mean, I could, walk inside here, grab stuff from my kitchens, and go to the side and enjoy the side. Again, it's amazing. They add extra square footage to your fifth wheels by just one push switch, and that's what the beauty about this unit. If you come this way, from the J lounge and the nice table, I still have a nice dinette. So this is not enough. This is a kind of coffee table with ottoman, dual way. You still have a beautiful table on a 4-chair right here, as usual, like as every Sabre. And then look how amazing that kitchen. I have a nice extension solid service. This is a solid service. You could hear the voice. I have inverter outlet. I have workstation sink, which is, cup spray, waterfall, and, the spray faucet, and the 3 different trays and a cutting board. I have a nice, beautiful trash can area, as you see here. A lot of storage from here. Nice tinsel doors with the handles. Look how roomy. Even I'm sitting here in the kitchen, I could still the nice view of my big 65-inch screen TV. All my windows, I could see anything happen in my side patio. amazing. Look how I have a prep area on the left, prep area to the right, with inverter plugs, bigger convection microwave oven, storage on the right, storage on the left, place for cup for wine bottles, and you still have your big fridge and a freezer. And then we have also here the big 3 burner range. Look how big it is. And then the solid residential oven. We have a door for cooking pantry, more storage. And then, ladies, as usual, we always give you the beautiful pantry, huge. You could put your broom here. Uh, how big it is, all kind of cereal foods, canned food. You have a nice room here for cooking, for coffee maker, toaster with a plug. More nice medicine cabinet, more silverware, more storage. And then walking from here, you could go to our master bedroom. And typical Sabre bedroom, what I really like about it is a king size bed, easy to get in. I like the hidden hideaway headboard. Could put some expensive stuff, guns, whatever you want. Plug for 110 and USB plug. LED light around. Storage underneath for blankets and sheets. I love this LED outdoor barbecue grill. And then nice place. I could put a second TV here. And then I have almost, look how deep it is, 3-door closet. I have place for washer dryer. I could put one unit here for the washer and dryer and the washer and then the dryers in the back. So 2 separate units, one on this side, one on the other side. Shelf, closet hookup, and then this is my second AC in the bedroom. And then I could go right there to my bathroom, where I have a solid medicine cabinet with LED light, sink, counter, porcelain toilet, and then I have a nice big shower. Look how elbow, the height in the skylight, and then the solid shower door. Then we have here also a nice pull-out linen towels closet. This is the Sabre, typical Sabre bathroom. What I like about them, all the units come with the zebra shades. Isn't it beautiful? Walk in here, you have a nice living in the back with outdoor living. I mean, even the brand new house, they don't come with that. This one come with it on this Sabre 33 RLB. Come to Best RV just to come and see how the side patio electric with us, they call the sunroom. It's a beautiful unit. Beautiful. I mean, you name it is loaded. 2 power awnings, 2 AC, auto leveling system, solar inverter, prep, big refrigerators, king size bed, washer dryer hookup. You load it, and the top of that is you have a beautiful side patio where you could walk in to it and enjoy the nice view in the back. Come to Best RV and grab the Sabre 33 RLB, the one with the side patio electric. Coming in.